Hi everybody, Carolyn Caldwell here from Caldwell Evolution with day 20 of the Organizing Spring Fling. Now, as promised, I am going to talk about school-age children, and I apologize, I don't have my tripod set up for tonight's live, so hopefully this isn't too wobbly for you. I'll hold it as still as I possibly can, and maybe we'll be a bit shorter so it can be a little bit more still for you. Okay, so today we are going to talk about school-age children, and the tip that I have for you is to teach your school-age children the value of tidy up. Now, it may be that you already got this done while they were toddlers in preschool, or it may be that they already like to have a tidy environment. Although, if you have children that really like a tidy environment and they're young school-age children, I think I'd like to meet them because I'd like to groom them to be professional organizers. It's far more likely that they are very interested in all kinds of wonderful, creative projects and endeavors, and maybe some arts and crafts, and reading their books and playing with their friends and new toys. So it's quite likely that there is a fair bit of clutter and debris surrounding their lives. Clothes, books, toys, crafts, all of it likely. And the best thing that you can do to help them stay organized and to keep your peace of mind is to teach them the value of tidy up. Does everything have a home? And when you're finished using it, can everything get back into its home? Once you've finished your crafts, do all the craft supplies get put away? Once you've finished with your clothes for the day, do they go into the laundry? The clothes that have come up from the laundry that are clean, do they get put away? And no, they don't have to be folded perfectly. They just need to get back into their home. If you're reading a book or reading several books off your bookcase, have they been put away at the end of your reading session? And so on and so forth. That's my tip for today. Teach your school-age children the value of tidy up so that when you come in for 10 minutes before bed and say, okay, let's tidy up and get things off the floor, they'll think that that's just a part of their normal routine. Hope that's helpful, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye now.